Every year, humanity produces more than 400 million tons of plastic. Only a fraction ever gets recycled. The rest enters our oceans, our soil, our food, our future. But even the solutions we call green still come with a hidden cost. Today, most biodegradable plastics still depend on edible crops: corn, potato, cassava, sugarcane. Each ton of these bioplastics quietly competes with the food web of humans and animals, solving one problem by creating another. As hydrocarbon-linked plastic pellets decline globally, a critical supply gap is emerging. Nations are shifting away from fossil-linked production. Markets are desperate for a new source, and the UAE, positioned at the crossroads of the world, holds the perfect strategic advantage. Ecoway Labs steps into this moment with a first-of-its-kind breakthrough: a fully integrated, food-independent bioplastics ecosystem, rooted in algae, fungi, and agricultural waste. No farmland, no freshwater stress, no impact on food supply. 3 proprietary production models power our platform. Model 1. Agricultural roughage to PLA pellets, turning plant waste into high-quality PLA pellets for packaging and industrial use. Model 2. Fungal biomass to chitin and chitosan plastics, producing antimicrobial, medical-grade chitosan plastics from fungi. Model 3. Algae biomass to biopolymer pellets. Our desert-compatible photobioreactors convert sunlight and CO2 into high-yield bioplastics. A closed-loop, high-efficiency system, engineered for scale. From a 20,000 square meter industrial facility, Ecoway Labs will anchor the UAE as a global manufacturing and export hub for biodegradable and compostable raw materials, serving the world's fastest-growing markets across MENA, Europe, Africa, India, and Southeast Asia. With 17 photobioreactors and partial operations, Year 1 output reaches approximately 1,800 tons. By expanding to 65 systems, Year 5 capacity exceeds 6,600 tons of finished bioplastic pellets. This is industrial scale, designed for global deployment. Revenue begins at $124 million in Year 1, rising to $256 million in Year 3, and scaling to $476 million by Year 5. A diversified product mix ensures resilience. PLA at $20 per kilo, medical-grade chitosan near $50 per kilo, and algae-based biopolymers at $5 per kilo for mass applications. With deliberate engineering and disciplined execution, Ecoway Labs is modeled to break even around Year 3, positioning investors for exponential upside. This is not a marginal business, it is a new sector. A protected innovation in a $400 billion global demand cycle. For early investors, scale economics and IP-backed defensibility create a realistic 10x equity upside in 3 to 5 years as global plastic restrictions accelerate and food-independent bioplastics capture institutional adoption. And the strategic alignment with sovereign mandates, climate, industry diversification, circular economy, makes Ecoway Labs an ideal partner for investors and international climate tech funds. The foundation of this ecosystem is formally protected. The innovation work, Cellulose in the Desert, is registered with the UAE Ministry of Economy, certificate number 310-2024, securing both creative and financial rights. This safeguards our models, documentation, and strategic plans, giving investors unmatched IP protection. The UAE's global logistics superiority, regulatory leadership, and climate innovation agenda create a once-in-a-generation opportunity. As the world shifts from fossil-linked plastic pellets, the UAE can replace them with food-independent, desert-grown bioplastics, shaping the next global materials industry. Bioplastics should not compete with food, land, or water. Ecoway Labs proves they don't have to. From algae and fungi in the desert to the world's supply chains, this is the future of biodegradable materials. Ecoway Labs, cellulose in the desert. Join us in shaping trillion US dollar industrial trade-off from UAE of biopolymer and PLA-based biodegradable and compostable pellets, eliminating hydrocarbon biofossil-based plastic pellets. A sustainable future, built at scale, powered by innovation and ready for global investment.